All right, guys, so I'm just gonna make a quick tutorial on, the whole Man and Woman of the Year page and the donations that we wanna raise as a fraternity together. Sean has mentioned it already many times. Will has put the link in the group chat, so just click on that and fill out the entire registration, and the person that you put for like whose like campaign are you like supporting in, whatever it says, you guys will get the gist of it. It's like whose campaign are you with, and you just put down Sean Meyer, and then you're attached to Sean Meyer now. So after you've submitted your application, it takes 24 hours. It took me 30 minutes. I got right back with an email, and then they sent me, it's like pretty straightforward. They sent me an email, and it was literally just making a page, giving them the information. And so like, this is my page right here. I have to flip the camera around because it won't flip for me, but you can see I already have $25 donated, and this is my page. I can edit my page by going to fundraising pages, and then my page. And then I can manage posts. I can do a post. I can manage comments, page options. I like edited and put in memory of Deborah Woodfin down here. And then there's all types of different stuff you can kind of play with. But I'm planning on doing a post today, probably a video one. And you can link it. A big thing is when you have the post over here on the right hand side for you guys, it will be it'll say link to my Facebook page or something, and it automatically posts on Facebook that you're like doing a fundraiser. And I got $25 from Facebook in it just posting. So something simple like that, people donate. Making posts, I've already made as some of you might have already seen, I've already made an Instagram post. Just on different social medias, you guys can make posts just trying to raise money. I'm planning on calling companies soon to raise money. I'm going to start asking friends and family. I've kind of got my account set up, so now I can kind of get the ball rolling on getting donations and stuff. But yeah, in this together, boys. Let's get a huge donation, and let's get Sean to be Man of the Year, eh? Per gay.